Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. This is Ikrar and you are watching Speak English with Ikrar. In this video, I want to suggest you my top 5 books for people who are learning English. This is according to me since I love reading books and I have my absolute favorites. But honestly, I think anyone can benefit from reading these books, not just people who are learning English. Well, these books were not written specifically for the English learner, but these books contain a lot of valuable information. By reading these books, you will get at least two benefits. First, you will improve your reading skill, and second, you will improve your English. And you will understand that everybody struggles with the thing that we usually struggle with as a language learner, regardless what your first language is. Now, I have read some of these in printed version and some on online platform. Let's start with the first recommendation. So the first book name is How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is an extremely popular book and it is something you can take chapter by chapter. When you are reading non-fiction book, I recommend taking notes because you are going to learn something new from each chapter. Even though it's a non-fiction, he tells a lot of story to make it easier to read. These stories are from his true life which is happened in the world, and it gives a concrete example what he is about to talk. My second book recommendation is called My Side of the Mountain by Jean Craighead George. This is one of my favorite books because it's about a little boy who decides to go and live in the woods. He has to find food, he has to find shelter, and he learns courage, independence, and the need of companionship while attempting to live in the woods. And I think this book has inspired a lot of people to explore nature and just do something adventurous by trying new things. My third book recommendation is the Rudest book ever by Shwetab Gangwar, a famous Indian YouTuber. This book is a collection of different perspectives and ideas on freeing your mind from all kind of craps. The truth of life you would rarely hear from parents, friends, society or the internet. Shwetab have his own opinion as everyone else in the world. Every piece of information available now is just a product of someone's ideas and thought. You can have your own ideas and thought about everything you can come up with. This book is available on Amazon. I read this book on Audible. This is an amazing book and you will get a lot of perspective to see life. I would definitely recommend go and check out this book. Fourth book that I recommend is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. And honestly to me, Dale Carnegie is one of the brilliant author and it's worth reading every one of his book. Dale Carnegie has founded his own public speaking course which helped thousands of people. And so if you are into public speaking, then definitely it's a must read for you. And I mean not just public speaking on a scene in front of thousands, but speaking at the meeting, giving presentation properly. It is for people who just want to express themselves confidently and properly. My fifth and last book recommendation is Rich Dad Poor Dad. It is a story of what rich people teach their children about money, but what poor and middle class people don't teach their children about money. It is the world's best personal finance book of all time. So make sure if you are interested in money, interested in making your money work for you and knowing where every little bit is going, so that you can become rich. Even though if you are not rich yet and you don't have very high income, this book is for you. As you notice, I am more into these self-development type of books. But I don't mean to ignore all the novels or science fiction. And when I have read enough of them to choose the best, I will let you know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe if you are not yet. And please don't forget to press that notification bell so that whenever we upload the next video, you will get the notification. Until then, see you the next time.